Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Automation on YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple screens, templates, and navigate them easily in Siemens HMI within the TA portal. You can achieve this in just few simple steps. Now let's get started. But before we begin, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video to support my channel. Let's move on to the TA portal. Here is my project file. If you don't have such a project file, please watch my previous videos on how to create new project and add new devices in the TA portal. You can learn everything you need from those videos. Okay, let's move on to the HMI section. Here's the HMI that's I already added to the new device. So you can click it and expand it the HMI, and then you can see here's the screens and screen management. First we create a template and then we will create on multiple screens. Let's go to the screen management and click it on the templates, and here you can see there's a template. Double click it and open the template. This is the default template that already comes up with the when you order the new device into the project. So now just delete all this and then create a new one. Just select it and then delete, select and delete, delete. So if you want to keep these dates and times, you can still keep it, or if you want, you can delete it. Just drag and put it here and keep it. So now this template that you can use for every screens. So we'll create the template first and then we will create screens. Okay, let's just give a title for whatever you want. Just click it on the text and then drop it here, and then you can write it whatever you want for the title of a project. I just write my YouTube channel name. You can click it and you can make it the size you want. So just make it bigger, and if you want a color, okay, now we will create a button. The- Drag and drop the button here, and then you can give the names of whatever you want. Like I want to give a home screen, so I can add a home. Okay, so you can put it here, and then Control C, Control V, you can copy paste if you want. Then another one, then another one. And then you can change the name of it. Just change the name. So it's home screen. Then you can have a overview screen, so that all the machine process can be displayed on overview screens. Then you can have an input screen. Now finally, you will have an alarm screen, so that we can be able to display all the alarms that generated from the PLC. So we have four screens here. Okay, let's create a four screen and then we can assign those buttons to the screens. Go click on the screens. Here I already have one screen. If you want to use the screen, you can still use. If you don't want, you can create a new screen. So you double click it on the add new screen. So here you got one screen. So you can change the screen name, rename it as a home. So you have four screen in the template: home screen, overview screen, input screen, and the last one is alarm. So now we create a home screen. The next we can go to double click it, create another screen. Also you can name it as overview screen. Overview. Okay, the next one, double click it, create another screen, rename it as input. Add new screen, and you can rename it as alarm. So totally we have five screens here. If you don't want to use root screen, just right click it and delete it. So we have four screens now. So you can decide which screen you want to make a default screen, which means whenever you turn on the power of the HMI, the default screen will comes up first. So we can set it whatever you want. I can set it here as a home screen, as a start screen, define as start screen. So now the screens, whenever turn on the HMI power supply, the home screen will come first. Okay, we have a home screen here. You can right click it and go to the properties, and then you can select our template. Okay, then click OK. You can see here the template is comes up on our home screen. Next you go to overview screen, do the same thing, go to the properties, select our template, click OK, click OK. Go to input screen, right click in, go to properties and select our template. Okay, okay. The last one is the alarm screen. Right click it, notice the properties, select template. Okay, click OK. So now we have four screens, and all the four screens is already attached with the template. Okay, now we will create some text on the each screens, so that we can differentiate the screens from one screen to other screen. Okay, you go to the home screen and double click it. So this is your home screen. So if you want to write something, just click on the text and here, so that you can write it home screen, so that you know that you are in the home screen page. Click it and make it a bigger size as you want, like 25, so that is a bigger one. The next one, just copy and then go to a overview screen and paste it. Just change the home, replace the home to overview. Open the input screen, paste it, replace it with input. Open the alarm screen, do the same thing. So that we know we have a full screen. This is a home screen, you can see that. I have a overview screen, you can see the input screen has an input screen, the alarm screen has an alarm screen. Okay, now we have created four screens, and also we created the template. Now we assign those four buttons to these screens, so that you have to go to the templates, double click on the home button and click on the properties and go to the events, click on the release, add function, you type it A, so that you can see activate screen. Click it, and the screen name you need to choose. Here you click home. We will do the same thing for other three buttons. Activate screen. So this one is overview. Click OK. Next one is input. Activate screen. Click it. Click input. Okay. The last one is alarm screen. Activate screen. Click it. Go to alarm. Click OK. So we have assigned the four buttons to these related screens. Now we can simulate and then see how this screens is functioning. Click on the HMI, you go to the simulation. So you have a home screen. This is the first screen that we set as a start screen, so that the home screen is comes up. Now you click it on the overview, the screen change to overview screen. Then you can click it to the input so that the input screen is comes up. The last one is the alarm screen. Then the alarm screen is here. So then you can go back to the home screen. Okay, this is how you can create multiple screens and templates in the TIA portal. Let's close the simulation and then we transfer this, download this project to the real HMI. So you can click it on here, click it on the HMI and click on the download to device. Select Profinet port and then your Ethernet adapter and start search. So here is your HMI. Click it here. Click on the HMI. And click load. Click load. Okay, this is our real HMI that we have downloaded the HMI project to this real HMI, so that you can see here this is the home screen that we are here. Now we am going to click this audio screen so that you can see. Okay, the screen is getting changed. The next one is the input screen, then the alarm screen. So that you can see here the screens are getting changed whenever you press these buttons. This is how you need to create multiple screens and templates in Siemens HMI within the TA portal. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video.